It's currently 20 degrees and snowing, and in about 7 hours, I'm gonna be in the ocean. This may have been the dumbest thing I've ever done. Now, the whole purpose of the growth challenge is for me to go out and experience new things that I personally have never done. Most of the challenges are for informative purposes, where I go out and learn something new that I haven't done before, or go out and try to make people's days just a little bit brighter. And then there's some that just don't have a reason at all. Let me tell you that this one, it's one of the last ones. There's no real reason for it, just other than I'd say I did it. Jackie and I, and this is what's going on outside. Lovely snow coming down. It's all of 34 degrees outside. And well, we're going to the beach. Not the South Beach, like New Jersey Beach.
A few moments later.
I got a little tired. Don't let the sun fool you. It's freezing. It's my, it's cold. I have not felt the water yet. I'm not going to. I'm going to just run in. It's not true unless I dive, so I gotta go kind of far, I guess, right? Oh my gosh, it's a wind. I guess this is it, right?
Yeah.
I just gotta do it.
Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Body on my, losing all my, finding all my innocence. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Body on my, finding all my innocence. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Body on my, finding all my innocence. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Body on my, finding all my innocence.
We literally drove 2.5 hours just for that. But it was worth it. That was fun. Let's go back up, please.
Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my.
In the end, I will say that oddly enough, I did enjoy it. I never really understood the point of a polar plunge, but now I do. It sends an adrenaline rush through your body. It just makes you feel good. The worst part about it was the wind. The wind was horrible. I didn't quite learn anything from this experience. It came with great memory. We spent the whole day out there. We enjoyed ourselves, and next week, let's make some more. I'll see you guys next week with another challenge.
Losing all my innocence, body on my